trains.
Trains and dump trucks.
Okay.
Open this
Daddy
up.
will help you.
Here, Dad. You get that fixed.
Please that open. Everyone, please that open.
Please, Dad, open.
Do you know where the caboose goes? The caboose goes at the end. Always you put the caboose at the end. You put the caboose at the end. Well done.
All right, look at this, Evan.
This is Jackie.
Jack.
The name.
This is Jack. Jack. He likes that.
You could put it up here, Evie.
Can you put the policeman in the police car? Policeman in police car.
You guys are just a little closer.
Policeman in police car.
No policeman. No policeman. Go put him up front here. Look.
This postcard, oh, this white shoes must be unfinished.
This is
train.
the caboose.
What is caboose?
Caboose is the.
Back into the train.
Always the last car in the train. This is like engine is in front.
Caboose must be finished.
In the back, and then these are cars. I think it has someone who works for train. Cars don't have people usually. They have package or.
Good thing. Caboose.
We used to wait for the train to come into town every when we were in town in the wintertime, and the guy in the caboose would always stand out like this, and we'd throw snowballs at him. We never hit him. Maybe we hit the caboose once in a while, but we thought it was big fun to have us do that.
These are pretty good.
Grab one, two,
Just counted them.
three.
It's a
Police car. 4,
4,
5, 6, 7,
8,
9, 10, 11,
11, 12.
12 trains.
Can-
Whoa! Trains and cars. Trains and cars.
How many trains do you have? Can you count
You
them?
count.
Show us how you count. 1, 2, 3. Can you do 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3, 5.
Oh, there's a magnet here.
Oh, there is.
Oh, fine.
Yeah. What's this one? Two, 5, 7.
All the important numbers.
How many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 6.
1, 2, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
38, 37, 14, 9.
1, 2.
Oh, Z-Man down there, Evan. And boxes. Z-Man and boxes.
How many trains does Evan have? Can you count?